Today we are here to present you a DIY homemade rice face pack for flawless skin. Rice flour for skin may be used for skin lightening, suntan and removing the impurities on the skin. Its naturally nourishing component is very effective home cure for pigmentation. It is also effective for anti-aging purposes. Helps to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. Banana is one of the best promising natural ingredient among all fruits for the skin. Vitamin A enriched banana can help the pores of the skin stay clean. Also it is high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Applying mashed banana paste helps improve the elasticity of your skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Its hydrating property makes our skin soft, supple and glowing. Now we will make this ripe banana into paste. This natural source of vitamins and antioxidants nourishes our dry and dull skin a lot. Now we will add this 1 spoon of paste to that 2 spoon of rice powder. The next ingredient to make our rice flour face pack is milk. We have applied on ourselves and it gave us very good result in terms of skin brightening. The lactic acid not only removes dead skin cells, but also lightens the skin by removing the topmost layer of damaged skin as well as rejuvenates the dry cells by moisturizing, which is so important things we need for our skin. Now mix these well to make a thick creamy textured paste and apply all over your face. Keep it until dry and wash it off cool water. That's it. So easy to use.